Oh wow. Alright, it's 1:30 a.m. right now, like 1:30 in the morning, and I'm going for a hike to this beautiful mountain called as Mount Batur. It is one of the most popular mountains out here in Indonesia. It's not very tall, like it's just 5,600 feet, but the main thing about that mountain is it's an active volcano. So I'm really excited for that. We have to like start early because that place is known for very good sunrise. So I hope we don't miss the sunrise. So just reached the starting point of the trek and I'm already feeling very cold. Like we were asked to carry jackets and I was thinking like people are just kidding around. It's Bali, like usually it's not that cold and I can already feel the winds. It's cold over here. Hey man, what's up?
Hey!
How are you feeling?
Having a lot of fun. I'm feeling good now that I have this view.
Guys, how are you feeling?
Very good. Pretty good.
It's a shame that the clouds have just come over us and we started to film us.
It's ruining your sunrise.
Yeah, shame. Still pretty cool. Eh?
Look at that. Look at that. So almost made it to the top. Like the top is very nearby, it's just like 5 minutes walk from here. And the sunrise is almost about to happen. Like I think it has already happened, but there are so many clouds, so it's not that visible. But it feels amazing. It was totally worth getting up at... Actually not getting up, I never slept, to be very honest. But then it's totally worth taking this night trek. Hey man, made it!
Awesome!
Cheers! Cheers!
We did it. Woo!
Okay, we're gonna do the...
Yeah, bro.
Made it.
What's up, made it.
How are you feeling, man?
Tired. Tired.
Yeah, I think that's pretty obvious. Alright guys, I hope you all are doing fine. My name is Nishit and welcome back to my channel Hopping Puck. Today I have made it to the peak of Mount Batur, which is one of the most famous mountains over here in Indonesia. It is known for active volcano. Like I'm literally sitting inside the crater right now of an active volcano. You can see like there is hot spring right behind me. I can see a lot of places like the vapor is coming out, which is really interesting to watch. Now I'm doing this trip with a group of people whom I met in Bali, which is actually a co-working and co-living space situated in Kuta, and that's the place where I'll be staying for 1 month over here in Bali. We started from a place early in the morning, like 1:30 a.m. It took us 2 hours to reach the base and then 2 hours to reach the top, and we did all of that because we didn't want to miss on the sunrise. And sunrise from this place looks really amazing, and you can see like the clouds are moving very fast. That's what has been happening for a while. Like clouds are moving, then it's covering the place, and then they're moving again. but it's fun. It's fun. So you can see that's the hot steam and people having fun. And when you actually take your hand inside, you actually feel hot. Now I cannot make you feel that on camera, but then yeah, it's the hot steam.
For boiled egg.
You boil egg over here?
Yes.
Never seen a full rainbow. Buildings. Alright, so it was a pretty adventurous day today. We went for a hike. The hiking was really good. The views from the top were like insanely good. The sunrise was amazing. Everything happened on time. And now we are back to our base. From here we'll go back to Bali Basil. That's the place where I'm living. And yeah, that's the update for now. It was a pretty fun day. And sorry about the background noise. I can't really help much because the external factors. So I'll see you soon in my next vlog. Until then, peace.
Love to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secret. Ask me a question. Oh, let's go back to the start. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. Ever say it is hard. Oh, take me back to the start.